Are you running a trading business? Then confused about how to calculate COGS or how to calculate the unit cost and record an inventory? Or you just want to learn about how to calculate COGS? Don't worry, I've got you. So here I am, Melita, Radmila, Athifa, Ivana with the last NPM 335. I belong to accounting major in UPN Veteran Jawa Timur, and this video is present to Mr. Wani Indrawan as the English lecturer in G665 class. Have you heard about the FIFO, LIFO, or average method? Here I am gonna talk about the average method in accounting. The main purpose of this method is to determine the cost of inventory and goods sold, or COGS, by averaging the total cost of goods available for sale over the total number of units. Anyway, average method is based on IAS 2 or International Accounting Standard as part of IFRS or International Financial Reporting Standards. You can check it in IAS 2 Inventories PDF at Cost Formulas part number 25 and 27. So let's start to explain about how to calculate COGS using average method. So to make it easier for you to visualize, I will provide an example question for us to work on together. This question is taken from Intermediate Accounting IFRS 4th edition, this one, Chapter 8 about valuation of inventories. This is the data and I'm going to explain the periodic system first. So in the periodic system, the average method usually called as weighted average. And then in the periodic system, we only record once at the end of period. The first thing you must do is dividing the purchase and sales transaction like this. So it will help you to identify and calculate it easier. Then you need to sum the unit of purchase and then the total cost of purchases. To get the total cost of purchases, you need to multiply the unit and unit cost. Also, you need to sum the units of sales. Second, you must calculate the cost per unit by dividing the sum of total cost purchases with the sum of units purchases. Third, you also need to calculate the inventory in unit by deducting the sum of unit purchases with the sum of the units sold. Fourth, to calculate the ending inventory, you need to multiply the inventory in unit with the cost per unit. Calculating the cost of goods available for sale, you need to deducting the sum of the total cost purchases with the ending inventory. Before I end this video, I will tell you several advantages from the average method. 1. Reducing the impact of drastic purchase price fluctuations. Second, taxes paid are lower. But there is also the disadvantage of this method. When the inflation happens, the average method will result in the net income lower than the FIFO method. I think it's enough and it's time to say goodbye. Thank you for watching and I hope this video helps you. See you around!